I can answer your question. I can answer your question. I can learn quickly. I can learn quickly. I can understand English. I can understand English. I can teach English. I can teach English. I can speak slowly. I can speak slowly. I can listen carefully. I can listen carefully. I can solve this problem. I can solve this problem. I can close the window. I can close the window. I can clean my room. I can clean my room. I can wash my hands. I can wash my hands. I can make tea. I can make tea. I can use a computer. I can use a computer. I can draw a picture. I can draw a picture. I can count to 100. I can count to 100. I can speak English. I can speak English. I can read books. I can read books. I can write my name. I can write my name. I can help you. I can help you. I can cook food. I can cook food. I can drive a car. I can drive a car. I can swim. I can swim. I can run fast. I can run fast. I can sing a song. I can sing a song. I can dance well. I can dance well. I can play football. I can play football. I can play cricket. I can play cricket. I can ride a bicycle. I can ride a bicycle. I can open the door. I can open the door. I can carry the bag. I can carry the bag. I can buy groceries. I can buy groceries. I can call my friend. I can call my friend. I can send a message. I can send a message. I can take a photo. I can take a photo. I can watch TV. I can watch TV. I can play the guitar. I can play the guitar. I can wake up early. I can wake up early. I can finish my homework. I can finish my homework. I can drink water. I can drink water. I can eat healthy food. I can eat healthy food. I can smile every day. I can smile every day. I can keep a secret. I can keep a secret. I can speak with confidence. I can speak with confidence.
I can open my book. I can open my book. I can close the book. I can close the book. I can drink milk. I can drink milk. I can eat an apple. I can eat an apple. I can brush my teeth. I can brush my teeth. I can comb my hair. I can comb my hair. I can wear my shoes. I can wear my shoes. I can tie my shoes. I can tie my shoes. I can sweep the floor. I can sweep the floor. I can water the plants. I can water the plants. I can feed the cat. I can feed the cat. I can feed the dog. I can feed the dog. I can catch the ball. I can catch the ball. I can throw the ball. I can throw the ball. I can jump high. I can jump high. I can walk slowly. I can walk slowly. I can sit here. I can sit here. I can stand up. I can stand up. I can open the box. I can open the box. I can close the gate. I can close the gate. I can carry this bag. I can carry this bag. I can lift this chair. I can lift this chair. I can fix the toy. I can fix the toy. I can say sorry. I can say sorry. I can be kind. I can be kind. I can be happy. I can be happy. I can be careful. I can be careful. I can be honest. I can be honest. I can learn every day. I can learn every day. I can practice English. I can practice English.
I can run fast. I can run fast. I can sing a song. I can sing a song. I can dance well. I can dance well. I can play football. I can play football. I can play cricket. I can play cricket. I can ride a bicycle. I can ride a bicycle. I can open the door. I can open the door.